Today, we embark on a captivating exploration into the depths of human psychology. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of repression, a powerful defense mechanism that influences our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Before we move on with this video, please consider subscribing. It really encourages me to keep this channel going. Okay, moving on. What is repression? It is a defense mechanism that plays a crucial role in safeguarding our psyche. It acts as a shield, protecting us from distressing or traumatic experiences by pushing them deep into our unconscious mind. Picture this: you had a challenging childhood experience that left a lasting emotional impact. Rather than facing and processing those difficult emotions, your mind automatically employs repression, burying the memories deep within. Repression allows us to create a temporary sense of safety, shielding us from painful thoughts and emotions. But here's the catch: these repressed memories and emotions don't simply vanish, they linger, hidden from conscious awareness, waiting for an opportunity to resurface. To understand how repression works, let's consider a relatable example. Imagine encountering a former friend who betrayed your trust in the past. Suddenly, you feel a surge of anger and discomfort, but you can't quite put your finger on why. That's the influence of repression in action. The past betrayal was so painful that your mind instinctively buried the memory, shielding you from the associated negative emotions. However, when triggered by a similar situation, those repressed emotions bubble to the surface, manifesting as an intense anger or discomfort. Repression can also manifest through forgetfulness. Have you ever struggled to recall certain events or details from your past? It's possible that your mind has employed repression to block out distressing thoughts, protecting you from emotional harm. While repression can provide temporary relief, it's essential to recognize its potential long-term effects. Unaddressed repressed emotions can lead to anxiety, depression, or even physical symptoms. So, how can we navigate the impact of repression? Acknowledgement and therapeutic exploration play vital roles. By creating a safe space for ourselves or seeking the guidance of a trained professional, we can gradually unveil and process repressed memories and emotions, leading to healing and personal growth. Remember, understanding the complexities of repression empowers us to unlock our minds and face the challenges that lie within. By shedding light on this powerful defense mechanism, we can embark on a transformative journey towards emotional well-being and self-discovery. Thank you for joining me on this illuminating exploration into repression and defense mechanisms. Until next time, keep unlocking the mysteries of your mind and embracing the power of self-awareness.